Hey, Frank, how's it going? Friday the 13th, 2026. What could go wrong? All right, let's get to the charts. SPX here on the daily. Looks like today caught a little bit of a bid. Me, not buying it. Okay, why not? Because unless we reclaim this level here and this level here, I think the markets are vulnerable. We've had all this chop, come up, come down, come up, come down, come up, come down. It's like throwing a pebble that's been skipping along, and then eventually it's gonna fall into the ocean. That's my thought. Okay, so where could we go? So let's back up a little bit. Why do I have those levels in the first place, right? It's because we have this trend line drawn from COVID low up to here, to here, to here, and then the resistance up into here. I will reiterate the thinking behind this, which is we had the start of the move from here connecting to here, and now we've squeezed out of the wedge. We had the wedge and then we're squeezing. Now, where could it go? Again, this is just my technical analysis. Doesn't mean that it's going to happen exactly this way, but given what I'm thinking here, this is my thoughts. Not financial advice, just my thoughts. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is this line here is the SMA. It's a simple moving average, happens to be the 50. Okay, now you can see the price is beneath the 50 moving average. It's been above it, it's been below it, it's been above it, it's been a little bit below it, above it. It's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's below it now. So when that happens, I'm thinking there could be some more bearish bias. So let's put that aside for now. Now, where could the price retrace, come down to before we have a significant move back up again? Well, we had this big old move, and then it's kind of what looks like flat topping, where it kind of gets flat and it's kind of stalling out, right? And then let's see. Let's try our friendly Fibonacci retracement. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to, just for kicks, I'm going to get rid of these lines because we already know what they mean. I want to keep things nice and clean and simple. We're going to do Fibonacci retracement, always drawn from left to right, from the start of the move to the top of the move. Now we got these levels here, right? So 236, 382, 5, 618, and 786 are retracement levels that you come down to and then get a little bounce from. Let's see if we can find confluence with pivots. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and turn on some pivot points, and let's see what we get here. So I don't have anything there. So let's maybe move our fib. Let's see, let's get rid of those. Let's start, instead of here, let's start the move here, right? Because this was a start of the move. So you can see we had the start of the move here up into here. Now let's see if we have any confluence this way. And lo and behold, do you see it? I won't say it. You see it? Okay. If you said S1, 382, look at that, right on the money there. Okay, so here's where I would think a reasonable retracement level would be. Because you can see this S1 here is right at that 382 level. And they're like, I mean, come on, within a point of each other. So my thinking is if we come down here, well, it looks like it's been there already. Look, it's been here once, twice, 3 times. The more the price hits a level, the weaker it becomes. So we hit it once already, we hit it twice. I mean, if we come down again, honestly, you know what? I take that back. I wouldn't get in here because it's already been there twice. Look, it's already been there today. No thanks. How about the 618 S2? That looks better to me. So this would be my level here. Close enough. 6696 with the S2. 6705 with the 618. That's my level right there. 618. Okay, moving on. Bitcoin. All right, so we have our head and shoulders here. And then just a refresher, you take the move from the top of the head down to the neckline, and then you take that move here. So that would give us a move to about down to 35,575. Okay, reasonable. Might not be a bad price to get some Bitcoin at. Let's move on to this. So this is my monthly chart. I've taken this from the low here, 15,473 up into the recent high, and then we have our retracement levels. Now you can see we do have confluence here at this EMA, the 65 EMA, excuse me, with the 618. It looks like it came close, right? It looks like it came within 2,500 or so points, came very close to touching it, didn't quite touch it. See, there's a little gap there, didn't quite touch it. So if it comes back down and smacks this could be a retracement, but that it's come so close and didn't actually hit it, it's kind of iffy. Like if it were to have just done it in one move, right? That would have been okay. But that has kind of visited that area before. I would be cautious, even though it's 618. You could get a bounce off of this. Proceed with caution. Better 786. Look at 39,000. So between 39,000 and about 35,000, yeah, could be some buy levels there. We'll just wait and see. I have no positions in the market. This thing looks like it's vulnerable. Everything going on in the world right now. I'm taking a wait and see approach unless it hits any of these levels here or the levels I spoke of here. That's my thought. Have a good weekend. It is Friday. Take care.